Bibi Villaver is a girl.
Baby Villaver is a boy! Wala, natabunan ako. Baby Villaver is a boy!
Bibi Villaver is lucky. Wait.
Baby Villaver is a, sige, baby is a boy.
Boy! Baby Villaver is a boy.
Baby Villaver is a girl.
I think it's a. I do think it's a girl. Congratulations, Mating and Harvey.
I think baby number 2 is a girl. Baby Villaver number 2 is a girl.
Baby number 2 is a girl.
Harvey.
Girl, let Tate Monique and Tate Harvey.
Be, show ang imuhang pink nga pom-poms. Woohoo! And a girl!
Girl.
Girl!
Jackie boy! Jackie! Hi!
Wala siya kasambot. Okay, is it a girl or a boy?
Boy!
Boy! Ikaw?
Girl!
Girl!
Bisagon sa healthy.
Gipili ba?
Boy!
Boy! Boy! Boy!
Girl!
Girl! Girl! Obong! Girl boy!
Okay, Jackie.
Girl boy! Boy gihapon! Ikaw ba? Boy! Boy! Janine! Girl! 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 Boy! Except ana ni Crisel! Manoy!
Girl.
Girl! Asa si Ate Gigi? Girl or boy? Boy! May Boy! Paprito na ka? Paprito na! Okay! For me, it's also a boy! Wala na lang yung suga! Ba, ara na!
Let's go!
Zaki, is it a girl or a boy? Boy, okay. Okay.
Let's go!
15, 14,
35.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a boy too. It's a boy. Hello, boy. Hello, boy. Hello, boy. Hello, boy.
Okay, and we are done with the transgender review.
Oh, for Zaki, for Zaki. For Zaki.
Thank you.
Is it?
From baby.
Oh, picture.
Bakit? Unsam ni mo? Wala ni mo.
Wala internet na. Yeah. Nakascore, nakabins.
Ipa-finish na na yun. Ay, daw. So kami diring dapita kay Parni sa Sisig Alavins.
Baby, it's a boy.
It's a boy! Yay!